What is up, everybody? What's poppin'? It's your boy Little Louie, and in today's video it's a little bit different. We have another tutorial video for you guys, and if you guys own a Philips Roku TV, I'm gonna show you guys how to change all the inputs and everything that you need to know about the inputs. So you have a lot of inputs. Sorry, I stuttered there. You have a lot of inputs. You have like your HDMI 1, 2, your Fire Stick, whatever you need. How to change them is pretty easy, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So stay tuned.
1 hour later.
Here to the home screen, you want to scroll down till you see settings. And then you want to click on settings. And then you want to go over to TV inputs. Now, I don't have my Nintendo Switch anymore, so I'm just going to delete that. So you're going to press remove, and it's going to remove. Now, I have some other stuff that I really don't like. So I have 2 Fire Sticks, but I only have 1 right now. I have 2 Fire Sticks, and I have 2 inputs. But one of the inputs is not my Fire Stick. One of the inputs is my PlayStation 5. We're going to remove this one. And, hold on. I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
There you go. Oops. Alright, we're back. Alright, there you go. We finally removed it because it wasn't saying the right stuff. As you can see now, we have my HDMI 2, my Fire Stick, and I'll show you guys in a second. This is my Fire Stick. Okay, let's go back. And now I want to put in my PlayStation 5 again. I'll be right back. So let me just grab this and put it in the loop T. Bruh. Put it in the hole. That sounded weird. Can you please go in?
Oh, hell no!
As you can probably tell, it has finally says connected PlayStation 5. And now, as you can see, we no longer have this saying that it is a Fire Stick, or that it is a Fire Stick, because it's not. So that's basically how you change the TV inputs on your Roku Philips TV. If you guys want any more tutorials or any more videos, hit me up on my Discord. If you guys have any videos for me to react to, hit me on my Discord. Ho, guess what? Guess what? God is the best. God is the king. God is number 1 for me. Even with a blindfold on, even with some earphones on, God can still save you. God can still save you. God can still save you. So listen to these words when I say you're wrong for dissing.